The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Rankin County in central Mississippi, north central Simpson County in central Mississippi, until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 8:08 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Mendenhall, moving north at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Piney Woods around 8:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Cato around 8:35 p.m. Central Standard Time. Johns around 8:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Delo and Braxton. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.